Well, gun culture seems to be thriving unabated in the national capital. In the second incident since this morning, there was a shootout outside the Karkarduma metro station in eastern Delhi. A man shot his wife and then his father-in-law outside the station while the woman has succumbed to her injuries. The other injured are said to be out of danger.
A shocking incident coming in from East Delhi this morning. In fact, this is the Karkarduma metro station. For the first time, a shootout has taken place in any metro station in New Delhi. This is, of course, the crime scene right here, which has been completely cordoned off by the Delhi police as well as the CISF, which mans the entire Delhi metro stations. That, of course, is the crime scene where family members, 2 or 3 family members were actually trying to go inside the metro station when a person known to the family actually shot at from behind. One person of the family has actually succumbed to the injuries. The other is actually recuperating in a local hospital. You can see that the investigation is presently on. In fact, if Sandeep can show you, the police is presently, in fact, even investigating, trying to question a few eyewitnesses who were, in fact, over here, what exactly happened. But it's a shocker of a story simply because of the fact that the gun culture and the trigger-happy population of this city and the horror that is associated with it has come to the fore all over again. Remember, this is a time when the holy season, the festivity season is on. There is heightened police security, and at a time like this, an incident like this has in fact happened. The investigation in this particular case is on. Senior officials of the Delhi police have already reached the spot, and they say that one arrest has been made in this particular matter.